student. Today we are with this a very important question of royalty. Look at there. Royalty is given there at 40 paisa in a rupee. Minimum rent is rupees 7,500 per year. Right to right of short working in subsequent 2 years out of excess working. This is a case of recouping your loss, every year short working in subsequent 2 years. What we have done in previous questions, that recoupment, right of recoupment of short working is for first 4 years or first 3 years, and after that you have no right to recoup your loss. But here it is, you have right to right of short working in subsequent 2 years. So every year shorter working, every year loss will get 2 years time to recoup the loss. If suppose loss takes place in first year, it can be recouped in second year and third year. If loss takes place in second year, it will be recouped in third year and fourth year, and that process will goes on. Here it is a question related with this topic is given. 5 years productions are given there in turns 10,000, 15,000, 25,000, 15,000 and 10,000. So we will make a table, analytical table, and with that table we will find out the short working, excess working, and how much payment is made to the landlord. Look at there. We all know एक टेबल बनाते हैं और उस टेबल में हम लोग how many columns we show there? Yes, 9 column. नाइन कॉलम हम बनाएंगे और उस 9 कॉलम को हम लोग वहां पर शो कर देंगे. कैसे दिखाते देखिए. ये देखिए हम लोग इस तरह से 9 कॉलम बना लेते हैं. अब हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन को करते हैं. सबसे पहले ईयर, फिर आउटपुट, उसके बाद रॉयल्टी. So now let's see the analytical table of this question, how we will show these values in our respective tables. Look at there. Years. Years output लिख लेते हैं, that is given in tons. रॉयल्टी 40 पैसा है. कुछ लोग मिनिमम रेंट कहते हैं और कुछ क्वेश्चंस में आपको मिलेगा डेड रेंट. तो बात एक ही है, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, राइट. मिनिमम रेंट और डेड रेंट इज सिमिलर थिंग. इट इज गिवन 7,500 and 40 पैसा इज रॉयल्टी. सो वी मल्टीप्लाइड दिस अमाउंट. We multiplied the output with royalty, 40 paisa. Now come to the minimum rent. Minimum rent is given 7,500. We write down the minimum rent in all columns. Look at there how we show all items. After that, find out the short working and excess working in respective years. So there is a short working in first year of how much? 3,500. Am I clear? When you go in second year, there is an again excess short working of 1,500. Excess working and short working is very simple. When your royalty is less than minimum rent, this is short working. When your royalty is more than minimum rent, it is excess working. Here it is excess working of 2500. Here it is again short working of 1500. Again short working of 3500. Now, what is the process of recoupment of short working? Recoupment कैसे करना है? Just look at there. First year loss हुआ 3500 का, and here it is given right to recoup short working in subsequent 2 years out of the excess working. When you have excess working, you can recoup it, but one condition is there in subsequent 2 years. So when loss will occur, you can wait for next 2 years to recoupment. 3500 का लॉस हुआ हमें पहले साल में, सेकेंड ईयर में भी लॉस हो गया, सो हम रिकूप कर ही नहीं सकते इस लॉस को, और थर्ड ईयर आ गया विच इज द लास्ट ईयर ऑफ दिस लॉस, फर्स्ट ईयर लॉस. सो वी विल रिकूप 2500 and 1000 which is not recouped in third year we will transfer to PL account, because loss cannot be transferred. This first year loss cannot be transferred in next year, right? Only 2 years are time being limit is given there. Time is now over, so we have to transfer unrecouped amount of this loss in PL account. One thing I also said in last video, when there is no excess working, there is no recoupment, right? And until or unless any amount is not recouped, we will not show any amount in PL account in those years when we have chance to recoup that. 3500 का लॉस था, we have chance to recoup that till third year. So in 2 years we will not transfer any amount. Third year में when we know that now we will not be able to recoup it, then only we will transfer this balance amount. Is this clear to all? Next thing, 1500, sorry, this 1500 is short working. We can wait for third year and fourth year due to this condition, subsequent 2 years. So अभी क्या हुआ, 1500 का 1500 का लॉस है, again there is no excess working in fourth year, so complete amount of this 1500 will transfer to PL account. When we go in last year, look at there in fourth year. Fourth year is the loss of 1500. फोर्थ ईयर में लॉस 1500 का हुआ. कैन बी रिकूप्ड इन फिफ्थ ईयर? नो, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ 3500. बट वी विल नॉट ट्रांसफर टू PL अकाउंट. वाई? वी विल वेट फॉर 1 more ईयर, 6th ईयर के लिए वेट करेंगे, और अगर उस ईयर में भी लॉस होगा तब हम PL में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. सो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में व्हेन इट इज गिवन transfer to subsequent years, loss can be recouped in subsequent years. So remember this thing, हम wait and watch करेंगे और wait करेंगे जब हमारा टाइम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, फिर अगर हमारा अमाउंट नहीं रिकूप हो पाता है तब हम PL में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. सो इस अभी 1500 को हम PL में नहीं ट्रांसफर करेंगे. इज दिस क्लियर? और इस 3500 के लिए तो अभी और ईयर वेट करेंगे, 6th and 7th. नाउ गो फॉर पेमेंट कॉलम. अब अगर हम पेमेंट कॉलम में जाएंगे तो कैसे पेमेंट दिखाएंगे? ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू, शॉर्ट वर्किंग्स होते हैं तो हम मिनिमम रेंट के बराबर पेमेंट करते हैं. अगर एक्सेस वर्किंग होती है तो हम ये चेक करते हैं कि क्या वो एक्सेस वर्किंग कंप्लीटली यूज हुई है कि नहीं हुई है. सो यस, एक्सेस वर्किंग कंप्लीटली यूज हो गई है, सो अगेन वी विल पे इक्वल टू मिनिमम रेंट. एंड फोर्थ ईयर और फिफ्थ ईयर की बात करें, सो देयर इज अगेन शॉर्ट वर्किंग, सो वी विल ट्रांसफर 7500. So this is the question related with this subsequent 2 years right to recoup short working. In that question, we transfer the loss in subsequent 2 years of occurring the short working, in which year the short working arose. So that is the case of transferring the loss in 2 years. In next videos, we will see about the journal entries and ledger of royalty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you all.